In this video, you're going to learn the 3 hip movement techniques in salsa dancing, going from number 1 beginners to number 3 intermediate advanced. First, quick explanation, then apply to the basics and follow along. Let's do this. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. And yes, today we're going to learn how to do the 3 hip movement techniques in salsa dancing. It's going to be a quick explanation because we already went through that video. So if you need more, like a deeper explanation, then you can go ahead and look at this. Yes, it gives you exercises and everything, so you're covered. And if you are ready to challenge yourself, then we're going to do a quick explanation and then we're going to do follow along. So are we ready? Let's go right into hip movement number 1, which is the smiley face. Let's just remember really quickly what that one looks like. Literally like a smiley face, yes? So it happens because of the bending and straightening of the knees, yes? And also of the ball flat of the footwork, the technique of the footwork. So therefore, we create this action of like a swing with the hips, yes? Okay, so we're gonna do it first in place just to show you the slow movement of the hip and how it applies to each count. I'm gonna try it two times on each basic. Basic in place, basic forward and back, and then side basic cucaracha. Okay, I'm gonna do it slowly and we're starting in place. So I'm starting by settling my hip to the left. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now to the basic. 1, 2, 3, and then we go 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. We go to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so if you need more practice on this one, I suggest you pause and practice a little bit more, and then we can go to level number 2, which is the forward and back hip movement. All right, guys, good job. Okay, now for hip number 2, style number 2, I'm gonna do it this way so you remember it really quickly. So remember that instead of moving the hip like in a swing action, we're going to switch from forward to back. I gave you some exercises in the previous video, yeah, if you are having difficulties with this, because it should not look like this. Your full body cannot move along, yeah? So you have to disassociate your upper body from your lower body. Okay, so we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, yes? So we go, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Left hip back, right hip back, left hip back, and right, and left, and right. Okay? Now, we're going to do the regular basic. We go, again, settling, starting with the settling the hip back. We go, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. This one is a little bit more staccato, and we use it a little bit more for like a, if we want like a sharper feel, like mambo-ish. All right, to the side, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. All right, pause and practice. All right, you guys, so we lasted until now. That says a lot about you. But before we move on, please don't forget to click on the like button to show some love and support. And also, please subscribe. And if you do subscribe, click on the notification button so you will not miss anything. All right, that being said, my favorite, the figure 8. This one is a little bit more complicated though, but I have good news for you. You already went through this motion, so instead of just stopping the movement, the motion there, we're just gonna make it go around smoothly. Yes? And again, if you have questions regarding this, I have plenty of videos. I'm gonna put them on the description area, okay? Let's focus now on the drills. Okay, so we're here and then we go, I'm gonna do it in place, yes? So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? So basically, if you count the full figure 8, it's gonna be 1 full and a half, and then another and a half. Let me explain what I mean by that, by doing it with the basic. 5, 6, 7, settle the hip, we go 1, 2, 3. When I did 3, I already finished 1 full figure 8 and the half of it. And then I continue on the 5, 6, 7 with the second half of the figure 8 and another full one. So in reality, it's going to be total of 3 of them. All right, let's go. 2 more basics. 5, 6, forward and back. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. I know it's a weird concept, but pause, practice, and if you have any questions, you can always put it on the comment box below. I will answer to all of them, I promise you. Okay, now, the real deal. We're going to do drills. We're going to do the 3 hip motions techniques, and we're going to do 4 of each. And we're going to try it to the music. Let's do it. We can do this. guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope it was useful, and if it was, please don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. And also don't forget to show some love by liking and subscribing to my channel, and also clicking on the notification button so you won't miss anything. And your comments, you guys, I love your comments. Actually, by a comment of one of my subscribers, I got to do this video. She requested this, and here it is. So please comment and communicate with me, and share and like and subscribe. And see you guys next time.